Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Jamaica is set to record economic growth of less than 1% in the first quarter of this year. It's the first positive growth since Hurricane Beryl and Tropical Storm Raphael damaged sections of the island last year. However, the slight economic improvement is not enough to get the country out of the rut for the last fiscal year. Jamila Maitland explains.
The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, is predicting 0.8% growth in the economy for January to March 2025. This is the first positive indication that the country is rebounding. PIOJ's Director General Dr. Wayne Henry explains.
The performance for the January to March 2025 quarter largely reflected the impact of, one, continued growth momentum in some industries following the adverse effects of the hydrological events of 2024. Two, increased external demand, which was facilitated by continued growth in the economies of Jamaica's main trading partners. And three, increased employment and higher levels of consumer confidence, which drove domestic demand.
Dr. Henry was speaking at the PIOJ's quarterly press briefing on Wednesday. He says the goods-producing industry performed slightly better than the services industry. The goods-producing industry grew by 1% and services 0.7%. As expected, agriculture recorded a mere 0.1% growth for the period. Manufacturing registered growth of 1.4% and construction 1.5%.
Was pushed by a 2,355.6% growth in housing starts by the NHT. Cement supply to the industry increased by 3%, reflecting a 164% increase in imports.
As for the services industry, with the exception of real estate, renting and business services, all other industries recorded positive growth. Still, the PIOJ predicts it's not enough to change the outcome for the 2024-2025 fiscal year because of the impact of the two major weather events, Hurricane Beryl in July and Tropical Storm Raphael in October.
For fiscal year 24-25, real value added is estimated to have declined by 0.8%.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
All categories of fuel will be increased effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by $1.75 per liter, while 90 gasoline will sell for $2.03 more. Automotive diesel will see $3.06 being added to the current price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $1.96. It will cost $1.12 more to purchase a liter of kerosene. The cost of propane will increase by $1.35, while butane will gain 87 cents. Petrol stations will add their markups to the ex-refinery price offered by Petrojam. The JSE index declined by 473 points, while the junior market index declined by 21 points. The winners included Mayberry Group, MFS Capital Partners, Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Epley Limited 7.25% preference shares. The losers included Edufoca Limited, Supreme Ventures, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited variable preference shares. Now trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.68. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.31. The pound is going for $213.66, while the euro is selling for an average $183.32. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.